Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, June 15, 2025. Today's video is about Magna Carta, an embroidery. Magna Carta, an embroidery, is a 2015 work by English installation artist Cornelia Parker. The artwork is an embroidered representation of the complete text and images of an online encyclopedia article for Magna Carta, as it appeared in English Wikipedia on the 15th of June 2014, the 799th anniversary of the document. The hand-stitched embroidery is 1.5 meters, 5, wide and nearly 13 meters, 42, long. The embroidery formed part of an exhibition celebrating the 800th anniversary of Magna Carta on the 15th of June 2015. It was displayed in the entrance hall of the British Library from 15 May to the 24th of July 2015. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.